So today we're working on a very, very special jet. It is a Honda jet. Yes, just like Honda cars, Honda makes jets. So as you can see, this jet, the engine is separated away from the fuselage, which is pretty cool. It's very unique to these jets. It's about a $5 million jet and new. This one here is from one of our clients. They go all over the entire Southeast and we follow them around. What I'm going to show you with the light here is you can see glitter all over in here, sparkling glitter. And you can see that. I hope the camera's picking it up, but there's glitter all over these seats, and some of them are wearing glitter. It's all on the inside of this airplane, and that is the main assignment as far as the interior is concerned today, is getting this glitter out of this aircraft. And after that, we're going to do a light carpet extraction, and of course cleaning all the surfaces and whatnot. And then after that, we're going to move to washing the outside. It is a tight fit inside of this little plane. This is a great aircraft for the money, so it's awesome. The inside of it is about the same size as a, I would say, what, a SUV? SUV. So anyway, I'm gonna get right to it. Glitter is gone, and as you can see, this LED would pick it up if there was any in here. And as you can see, it is gone. Did a carpet extraction, as you can see. Turned out amazing. And as you can see, the glitter is gone. The surfaces are clean, and this plane is gonna be good to go. So just wrapped up doing this Honda Jet Elite. Turned out absolutely amazing. Turned out great, fantastic. It's got candy apple red paint, white paint, and a little bit of gray to accent silver with some metallic flake in it. Turned out absolutely gorgeous. Put a nice coat of wax on it. Should last at least about 3 to 6 months, depending on how often this plane flies. So nothing is permanent, but that's why we're here. That's why we have reoccurring services, either on a monthly basis, bi-monthly, once a quarter, every 6 months, once a year, whenever you need it, we got you. But we're going to show you the after results on this Honda, and it's amazing. It turned out great. It looks presidential. I'm going to show you around the other side of the wing so that way you can actually see the gloss and the shine, and hope you enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the after. We're going to get on out of here and grab something to eat. It's been a long day. So catch you on the next video, everybody.